From my kitchen to yours, this is Chef Michael Christen, and tonight I decided to do something really fun, simple, and easy. It's a dessert that I call fire and ice. It incorporates just a few small ingredients: green peppercorns, some sugar, strawberries, and some orange juice, and some sorbet. So it is a dessert that can't be made ahead of time. It's got to be made on the spot. So first of all, what we're going to do is we are going to caramelize some sugar. So I'll just add some sugar, plain sugar, right to the pan like this. And that's good. To caramelize the sugar, you just gotta, it's a labor of love, so you just gotta wait until it fully melts and starts to really kind of get the caramel color on the outside. So to the pan, I've added roughly about 200 grams of sugar. And as you can see, the sugar is really starting to melt now. Now we're starting to get that golden color. So I'm going to turn it down just a bit. So scraping the sugar off the sides, and it's really starting to come together now. Now it's got that beautiful color that I'm looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 100 milligrams or milliliters of orange juice, and just let that melt. So what you want to do is bring it fully up to temperature until the sugar comes to a complete melt. That's exactly what we're looking for. So nice and creamy, nice consistency, and the sugar will stick. However, it is perfectly normal, and it is something that you want to cook down because it does intensify in flavor. Really, really nice. So I'm just stirring it up until the sugar is completely dissolved. And then we have a beautiful sauce to which that we can actually add the peppercorns and the strawberries. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the peppercorns. And let that cook down. And then to that, strawberries. So this is kind of a sauce that you want to cook out the peppercorns, add the strawberries to it. The flavor will mold into the sauce, and at that time you get the sorbet ready. This is my portion, so I'm going to take 2 scoops. Oh yeah. There we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the sauce to the sorbet. So here we have the sauce, and we just kind of drizzle that over with the peppercorns over the sorbet. Beautiful. So you get the spiciness of the peppercorns added with the strawberries and the sugar over the sorbet. Perfect. You have the bite of the peppercorns and the sweet of the sorbet. Fire and ice. That's kind of what this whole thing's about. So I have to try it. Grab a spoon. Oh yeah. Now I know why this is my portion, because I have 2 scoops of sorbet. Anyways, this is Chef Michael Christen. From my kitchen to yours. Try this out. Fire and ice.